Awesome. So what they did is they just went ahead and multiplied everything on this side, but that's fine too. But you know, you can do things with just x's, whatever. All right, finding determinants of a 3 by 3 matrix. The way that I think is one of the kind of easiest ways to do these problems is to just rewrite the next two lines. So 2, -3, -1, -3. And on the videos I gave you a couple of different ways to do it, but this one kind of makes the most sense to me. And then we're gonna, if I remember correctly, we just multiply straight across, straight down these triples here. It's kind of like this will be 1, this will be 1. And I guess I could put something on the other side or whatever. But anywhere you can have 3, so I would do 3 times -2 is -6 times 8 is negative. Let's see, 48. So much arithmetic. All right, -3 times 2 is -6 times -3 is positive 18. And 9 times -1 is -9 times positive times -9 gives you positive 81. And if I add all these up, then I get 99 minus 48, which is 51. All right. So those are the forward ones. Now we're going to do the backwards ones. Or we're going to subtract the backwards ones. So, ooh, that's not what I wanted to do, but it is what it is. So here are the backwards ones. Boom. And then boom. So let's find that. 9 times -3 is -27. Times -3 is positive 81. Oh, look at that. We've got 2 times 2, which is 4 times -9, which is -36. My brain is not working today. -3 is going to be positive 3 times 4 times 8 is going to be 24. All right, so if we add all these together, let's see, we end up with -12 plus 81. -12 plus 81 is going to be 69. Am I right about that? Yeah, yeah. All right. So we take the forward one and we subtract the backwards one. And you end up with -18. So our way to check this is we can just take that matrix and plug it into our matrix calculator. So we had, let's see, I'm going to do a 3 by 3 matrix. Get rid of this. We don't need that. I'm going to do a 3 by 3 matrix. And let's see, what were the parameters? 2, -3, 9. That's not what I wanted to do. I wanted the determinant of that. So I should say determinant of that. -18. Which, what I got? Yay! I did it right. All right, having those calculators is so helpful. Okay, they use minors, which you can do as well. Um, Basically, the way minors work is you you first start with saying you got 2, and then you ignore everything else in that. So you do 2, and then take the determinant of -3, 2, -9, 8. We've done determinants of 2 by 2. You know, it's just in this case it would be -24 minus -18. That would give you 2 times, let's see, -6, which is -12. And then you're the key is, so you start with that and then you go to the next one. You say, okay, now, but for the next one, you do minus -3. So you do actually minus successful one. The way we used to do it is at the top to remind us, we would go plus, minus, plus. So then you look at this one, and now you don't look at this column and you don't look at this row. So that gives you this 2 by 2 matrix, -1, 2, -3, 8. You know, from these two rows here. And the same thing, but then the last one would be +9. And now you're going to look at these two. So you have -1, -3, -3, -9. And you would do exactly what I did on the other ones. So that's the other way to do it. It does work, of course. So if you go back and then look, you see that the miner's way works here, which is what I was going for, but the way I did it works too.